Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson, Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, we are looking at the word marriage. Marriage in Hebrew, we have two options, and they look quite the same. Only here, mem sofit, and here, nun sofit. So let's first read, and then I will explain. נישואים. נישואים, נישואים, נישואים. The dot here is on the left, so this is not Shin, it is Sin, and the sound of S. נישואים. Or with nun sofit, נישואין, נישואין, נישואין. This is singular, right? The form in English, marriage, but in Hebrew, this is masculine plural. So mem, right, plural, נישואים. But why nun? Because this is something that we got from Aramaic. Because Hebrew goes back far, like in the ancient world, and people spoke Aramaic in the region. So this is from Aramaic, the end of nun, but it is also plural. So you can say נישואין or נישואים. It is the same, and those two forms are correct. This thing with the mem sofit or nun sofit, we have a special list. It's not with all the words in Hebrew. Only few words that occurred this mem sofit or nun sofit. And until next time, remember that you will find links to selected lessons in the description box below: Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.